People flocked the Terminal 4 of the Cebu port for the inauguration and blessing of Cokaliong's newly acquired Roro vessel, the MV Filipinas Cagayan de Oro. Other than Cokaliong Shipping Line's founder, Chester Cokaliong, and his family, VIPs such as Senator Nancy Binay, Governor Amy Marcos of Ilocos Norte, General Bato de la Rosa, Attorney Harry Roque, and Secretary Michael Dino attended the event last January 26, 2019. The vessel is scheduled to make trips from Cebu to Cagayan de Oro every 7 p.m. of Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at the Cebu Port Terminal 4. With return trips from Cagayan de Oro to Cebu every 7 p.m. of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Cokaliong continues to bring islands together with their Roro vessels. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.